So, Snowball, tell us about yourself.
Oh, I'm good-hearted, and I believe that all animals should be treated fairly and share their property equally.
Thanks, Snowball. Time to get back to the farm.
Oh, bye, Snowball.
But all is not well on the farm, because here comes... Dun, dun, dun! Napoleon, the Conqueror Pig! I am a troublemaker. I tell some of the animals they're better than others. That's right, I am a bad pig.
Oh, that's a